Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
How to become a Ripple XRP millionaire. Bitboy, this secret will make you rich in XRP. Ripple just might be the missing piece of your investment portfolio. XRP becomes a viable competitor when it comes to Bitcoin, the world's first and largest cryptocurrency. While BTC has been around for much longer and with much greater value, XRP can claim to have performed remarkably well despite the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. Today we're going to talk all about how to become an XRP millionaire and what Bitboy just said about that. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Just a couple of years after it released XRP, Ripple Labs was named as one of the 50 smartest companies by researchers at MIT University in 2014, which is regarded as one of the best private research universities in the world. Slowly but surely, banks and other financial organizations began showing an interest in using Ripple's payment system. 5 years later, in 2019, more than 200 financial institutions had adopted some of Ripple's technology. Today, the RippleNet advanced blockchain is used by a growing network of more than 300 providers spanning 40 countries around 6 continents. Some of the biggest adopters of Ripple include American Express, Santander, and US-based money transfer company MoneyGram. What's more, there are whispers that Visa and Western Union are seriously considering switching over to the Ripple platform in the not-so-distant future. For many crypto and financial analysts, Ripple has the potential to replace SWIFT as the #1 network for secure, standardized, and reliable global payments. In fact, that's precisely what Ripple's founders are aiming for. In an interview at the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Just a couple of years after it released XRP, Ripple Labs was named as one of the 50 smartest companies by researchers at MIT University in 2014, which is regarded as one of the best private research universities in the world. Slowly but surely, banks and other financial organizations began showing an interest in using Ripple's payment system. 5 years later, in 2019, more than 200 financial institutions had adopted some of Ripple's technology. Today, the RippleNet advanced blockchain is used by a growing network of more than 300 providers spanning 40 countries around 6 continents. Some of the biggest adopters of Ripple include American Express, Santander, and US-based money transfer company MoneyGram. What's more, there are whispers that Visa and Western Union are seriously considering switching over to the Ripple platform in the not-so-distant future. For many crypto and financial analysts, Ripple has the potential to replace SWIFT as the #1 network for secure, standardized, and reliable global payments. In fact, that's precisely what Ripple's founders are aiming for. In an interview in 2020, Ripple's co-creator, Chris Larsen, said, "It's going to take some time. It's going to seem frustrating because government and regulators work in a different cycle. XRP can be a replacement for the inefficient SWIFT system." Now let's talk about why XRP is a millionaire maker coin. Lots of crypto analysts and speculators think Ripple has a big future, making it an attractive option for new and established traders. So here's a quick look at why XRP is a good investment. It solves problems and creates opportunities. Ripple solves problems for large financial institutions. It also speeds up the flow of capital, which is excellent for the economy. But Ripple could work for some small business owners too. If it becomes widely adopted, the Ripple platform will provide millions of sole traders and entrepreneurs with access to the global economy. Market cap of XRP. With a market cap of approximately $58 billion, XRP is the world's 6th biggest cryptocurrency. A large market cap is a strong sign of investor confidence and makes the asset more resistant to volatile market cycles or dips. Partnerships and investors. Ripple has perhaps the best backing by financial institutions out of the entire cryptocurrency market. In some circles, it's more liked than Bitcoin. Their first major banking partner to use the Ripple payment protocol was German bank Fidor in May 2014, according to Pete Rizzo of CoinDesk. Today, some of their biggest partners include American Express, Santander, and MoneyGram, as mentioned earlier. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Moving into CBDCs. CBDCs are central bank digital currencies, and in March 2021, Ripple announced that they're piloting the creation of private ledgers based on the public XRP ledger. They claim that it can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second and has the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of transactions per second. It's quite likely that in the future, there will be more private endeavors like this. It's also quite possible that many future banks and financial institutions could use a private version of the XRP ledger. XRP is recovering from the SEC case. The XRP legal team has won some recent skirmishes, which could force the SEC into a face-saving settlement. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission seems to be experiencing a prolonged incremental death by 1,000 paper cuts regarding its lawsuit against Ripple, which alleges Ripple's crypto coin XRP is an unregulated security. When the SEC filed its suit last December, many experts and analysts felt it was a death knell for XRP, as it was delisted from most crypto exchanges globally. With little opportunity to raise legal funds due to the delistings, many thought XRP might rip. XRP is putting up a fight. Not so fast. It seems the scrappy legal team representing XRP has demonstrated more dogged determination than a pack of Dogecoins facing off against a stack of Shiba Inus. Since the SEC's announcement of the case, XRP's value has tripled and individual investors have piled in. That's because XRP has been able to consistently pile up a heap of smallish procedural wins and favorable rulings from U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Knepper, who's presiding over the case. One such minor win was the court's late summer order to the SEC to produce its regulatory guidelines for cryptocurrencies after XRP alleged that SEC officials admitted during a meeting that no formal regulatory guidance existed before 2019. XRP had been available to retail and institutional investors since 2012. The XRP legal team asked how could XRP break the law if no formal regulations existed for 7 years. Most investments come down to the risk versus reward factor. In other words, do the potential rewards outweigh the possible consequences of the risks? Ripple certainly has some risk factors. The founders hold a large number of coins. It's still a long way from challenging its main market rival, and it's not the most popular technology for blockchain purists. On the other hand, XRP is becoming more and more mainstream and has the backing of some major financial institutions. Plus, the current price is a low barrier of entry for crypto newcomers, as well as a good opportunity for established investors to diversify their portfolio without taking a large amount of value out of their assets. Put simply, XRP is a low-risk investment with lots of potential rewards. It's something you should definitely do some research before you consider adding it to your portfolio. The real Ripple investing question then, does it really work? If you're willing to invest the time and energy, then for you, it could do well. Will XRP be a millionaire maker? According to Bitboy, in a sense, it already is. XRP has a market cap of $58 billion at the time of recording, and as we've discussed, this continues to rise as the application of its payment protocols becomes more widely adopted. Being a finite resource, the value of XRP is likely to increase further, as scarcity tends to promote growth in price. Please remember, any investment includes some risk, so only invest what you can afford and do as much research as possible before making a final decision.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.